Hey guys, another tacky video. Today we're going to be opening Trash Pack.
Series 7, The Gross Gang in Your Garbage.
We get a puppy and a ducky. You get those two additions.
Junk germs, this is what they are.
And also we got the ooze guys and the sand guys.
Limited edition super snot.
And also the egg. So let's open the first.
This is the first Series 7 Trashies that we've ever seen or had in person, so we're really excited, right, Quinn?
Mama bought me them. Thank you, Mama.
That's Boys with Toys Mama's first appearance on one of our episodes. This is a big moment. Need some help for it? Epic unboxing. Here are the two that we could see. And these are some nice looking guys. Look like a little puppy. And then I don't know what that is, like a sea monster? I'm not sure.
It's a duck.
It's a duck, okay. And then Quinn's getting out the sheet that comes with the Trashies. The booklet, the little booklet, so that we know who these guys are and how special they are. Alright, so hold on, let me look. Pet germs. So that is. Oh. Having trouble focusing on that, but this doggy thing is Ringworm Rover. And then this snail duck looking thing is this is the hardest part. Oh, here it is, hookworm. Hookworm. So that is a worm, in fact. So we were both wrong. It's not a sea monster. It's not a duck. Hookworm. All right, cool.
Now let's go move on to the next step.
Whoa. What is this?
And we also get this guy.
These are cool. These are like special guys.
To get the scissors.
Whoa.
Who's allowed to use these scissors?
You are. You can. Oh, here, I'll use them. I'm sorry. Here, give it to me. Sorry. Safety first, guys. Quinn's always really good about safety, and so these are not safety scissors. So he's
that looks freaky.
Yeah. And then look at this guy. Like he's like.
Look. Hey guys, you know the Boys with Toys video?
What's that? Let's hear that again.
Hey guys, you know the Boys with Toys video? Today we're gonna unbox the Trashy.
And then this guy's got like his. Wait, let's show the subscribers this guy real quick.
Sorry.
It's okay.
I wanted to see his boing.
Trashies, they just keep getting cooler. That is awesome. It's like a brain within something. Like, I don't know. I have no clue. And then the real fun begins when we try to figure out what it is that we're looking at, because we just don't know. And if you look, the pack says, note if you get a 12-packer, it says 2 special edition cold color change Trashies. So maybe...
We got these guys.
Alright, let's see. We got some more. Okay, cool. Oh, this guy's cool. He's like got like an afro. He's like the Shaft of Trashies.
He's a snake.
He's a snake?
He's a snake.
Here, hold on. I'm gonna get him out. All
I
right.
want to take him off.
And then this guy looks pretty freaky.
I'm gonna find them for you, Dada.
Okay. Here's that guy. So while Quinn is looking at the booklet, we'll show you guys. So Series 7 again is the test tube trashies. And did you find him already? Man, you're awesome.
He's right here.
Yep, you're right. What is his name? Oh, here's a second. It's try to focus. It's Hairworm. Cool.
Here.
Awesome. Okay, you ready to open the big one?
Did you find what this guy is?
Yeah, I think we're gonna find later because we're running late. We're running long here. We want to show the people what they want to see, right? Do you need some help?
Oh, wow.
It's raining trashies over here. Alright. This guy popped out. Ooh. This guy is cool. It's like he's... Is that a toothbrush and a popsicle? This is sending mixed messages for me. You know, brushing your teeth and eating a popsicle at the same time.
Casey?
I just don't know how realistic these toys are anymore.
He's brushing his teeth and eating a popsicle that failed. It looks like it's a shovel.
You think it's a shovel? Maybe it is. This guy is like a mushroom.
These are like scientist things. Look,
It is.
you can put like a
Very scientific. Oh, this guy's cool. It looks like a bird in a bomb suit.
Can we keep these?
The test tubes? Yeah, those are like the trash cans of this
we
series.
can put using them and like pour them in some things.
Yep.
And also I want to keep the next trashy eggs too.
Yeah, of
And
course.
them are just really nice to look at and put your trashies in.
Yeah, guys, we have trash cans coming out our ears over here, but we like it.
This guy's like, I'm gonna call him Clumsy Blue Turtle Ninja because he's a blue turtle ninja.
I like it.
And he also looks like he's fat and clumsy.
Oh, this guy's weird. You can he's got like a hole. All right, guys, so we're gonna line them up for you so you can see them all.
Oh, I can put my finger inside.
Here, let's line them up so I can show the subscribers all of them. Okay. Is this all 12? Let's see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so we're going to go down the line real quick here. So we got the hookworm, the Rottweiler thingy, and then we've got the guy with the sucker. This is an epic fail. I can never find anyone on these charts. He's blue. There he is. He's called Dusty Dust Mite, and he's rare. Okay. And then this guy, this yellow pizza. Like, okay, that is Dank Dishcloth. Yep, that guy's Dank Dishcloth.
That's the mushroom guy.
Yeah, let's see. Good question. The mushroom guy's name is Fout Fungus.
What's the silver guy?
This guy is awesome.
This guy?
Yeah, it's like he's like swimming or something. I don't know. It's like he's got like an inner tube on him. Let's see who he is. It's blue? A blue inner tube?
I hope you
Oh, I think I just found it. Here, can I see it real quick?
Daddy.
It's okay. So I thought I just found it. Yeah, there he is. His name is Pool Puke. Yeah, this guy's name is Pool Puke. So I guess that whole inner tube thing was right. Okay, and then we've got the turkey who looks like he's about to explode, and that is
What's the turkey? Is this the turkey?
Yeah, this guy right here, and
The
he
turtle?
is.
The
Yep,
little turkey?
he is Horrid Heartworm. Okay, so he's a worm.
It doesn't look like he can explode. This guy? With the turtle.
this guy is Horde
It
Heartworm.
doesn't look like he's exploded. This
Yeah.
looks like he ate too much food then on his fat.
This is Icy Earthworm. All right,
That's the
and
brain guy.
the brain guy has got to be X-ray trash because you can see inside of him. So he's very
He's hard.
he's rare.
What? This guy's hard. He's hard.
Is he okay? He's got ears.
Feel him.
He's hamster germ.
Try to squeeze him. He's hard.
Yeah. He is hamster germs, and he is ultra rare, folks. Not just rare, but ultra rare. And then this little orange dude, he's got to be a color changer, and his name is Lizard Lice. And then the guy with his tongue out. So these two right here are the color changers, and the yellow guy on the right, his name is Sore Throat.
And these are the guys in here.
And then yeah, you're right. And then Quinn's got him on here. And then this was Hairworm. Yep, right there. Okay, that's it. What do you think, Quinn? Series 7, cool. What do we think of these? We're gonna actually probably go try out these color changers. So maybe we'll get some cold water and use our test tubes for that. And yeah, actually, you know what? Let's see here. Maybe we can do this. Let's do this really quick. Maybe if you want to ask Mommy to let's take this and get some cold water in that bucket, and let's see if these guys change. We could show the subscribers.
I'm gonna put some cold water on this. Okay. So this is cold water?
Yep, that'll come out really cold. X-ray trash. Very cool. Alright, so these are the two cold color changers here. So again, one of them is orange, one of them is yellow. We're going to see what happens.
It's okay. We're going to probably have to pour a little bit out.
That's okay.
Because it was going to...
That's perfect. Alright, you want to drop the orange guy in first, Quinn?
This guy?
Yep. And go ahead and let me try to like push him down a little bit. We can clean that water up. Alright, did he change colors?
He's kind of orange.
He's kind of orange. Wasn't he already orange?
No, he's dark orange.
Okay. Alright, you want to try the yellow guy? And you know what it might be? It could even be that this water's not cold enough.
Mama,
We'll,
put
Well,
this.
that's probably as cold as we've got.
yeah, we'll try it again. So let's go ahead and wrap it up. Quinn, do you want to tell them thank you? And
I'm gonna make these guys float.
okay.
And also, no. These guys are not gonna fall. The ducky is these guys.
You get the pool water guy in there. He's got
And this guy. These are all the guys that should be swimming. Look.
awesome. Okay, Quinn. Well, we gotta go. Why don't you tell them?
Bye. Love you.